Okay, so today it's our flight going back to Manila. Welcome back to my channel. And we're now right here at Gardens by the Bay. These are man-made tree-like structures here in Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. It's right beside sands, Marina Bay Sands. So we'll just go here for a little while just to view the different wonders, creations of Singapore. Another tourist attraction here, a must-see place. It is free to go here and just take a taxi, a bus, or walk towards here. It's very nice. I'll show you now. Also very nice here if you go here at night. A lot of lights, attractions. This is the Gardens by the Bay South entrance. We were dropped off here by our Grab driver. $80 feet high, around 80 feet. See here the Marina Bay Sands just around the corner, and a giant greenhouse. Looks like a greenhouse.
Pasok pa. Ito din. Kita ang dagating mura kaya takanya.
The entrance, you'll see the three big trees, but it's just the beginning. There's a lot of trees inside. Silver garden, golden garden, and I think there's a super tree. That's a must see here. It's a long walk.
Pwede naman daanan ikaw eh.
Hindi daw kasi ako ka.
The professional photographers there. This is the Supertree. It's just like a big structure in the middle with plants on the side. That looks really cool and amazing. There are ticketed attractions, but the ones we did here is free. You can just walk around at the floor. You can just walk around here. It's our quick Gardens by the Bay trip. Very key. You'll need a half day here if you want to see everything. You can also pay for the paid attractions. You can walk at the canopy above. There's a walk so you can see everything from the top. Don't have enough time anymore. It's been 10 days here in Singapore and Malaysia. Whew, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Okay, so that ends up our Malaysia and Singapore trip for this episode, for this video. Whew, very tiring. You need to walk a lot of you need to walk a lot here in Singapore, and time is not enough always. The time is not enough when you're traveling, when you're in vacation. Just the 10 days just passed by like that, but we made a lot of experience. We visited a lot of places. Thank you to all my friends, my families, everyone who were with us, who we saw. for a short time. Thank you very much for spending time with us. We appreciate everything, especially all the places we've been through, all the foods, the drinks, and everything. Thank you very much, and thank you Singapore for treating us well on our trip. Okay, see you next time, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. See ya.